everyone. This is Gargi Sarkar from Crafting Identities, and I'm back again with another episode of Crafting Identities. And I'm so super excited to be here today with Dr. Kushal Gangwani. And I want to really share a few lines about Crafting Identities. Crafting Identities has been designed to only talk to the medical world. How AI is transforming the medical world, which is everybody was asking me how it's doing, and I said, well, I need to talk to a few doctors and they will be able to give me all those answers. Thank you, Dr. Kushal. It's great to have you here, and I am so excited. So, Doctor, over to you. I would really like that you speak few words about Oromax Dental Clinic and how you had made a difference in this world of healthcare in terms of the dental space. Over to you, please.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Gargi, for having me on your podcast.
Thank
And
you.
it's been a privilege. And yes, Oramax Dental Clinic, I must say, is not an ordinary dental clinic. It is the clinic with a touch of AI.
Wow.
Nowadays, AI is everywhere.
Exactly.
People are using ChatGPT, Gemini, and even in the hospital and the medical field, AI is being used.
Absolutely.
In fact, most of my patients come and they just ChatGPT it. They take a picture of their tooth and they put it on ChatGPT and say what is the diagnosis.
Okay.
So I tell them, I hope the AI will not do your treatment. You'll have to come to my clinic to do the treatment.
Absolutely correct.
So definitely, AI is a life transforming tool in every aspect, especially in dentistry. And Oramax, we make use of AI, especially in diagnosis. And the first checkup which we do is with the help of an intraoral scanner. I'm sure you have experienced
Oh yes,
this.
I have experienced that, and I loved it the way it has been done, and the kind of results that come up, and it's amazing. Yes,
Yeah,
please,
so that
doctor.
is basically a 3D camera which scans your entire teeth from all the aspects in 3D. And then we have a feature called Oral Health Report, which the AI makes it. It analyzes all your teeth and it makes an entire report which we give it to our patients, which detects cavities, which detects tartar, which detects plaque, it detects if there is any crowding in your teeth. So everything in detail, the report comes.
Wow.
So that we make use of it. So we call our consultation a digital 3D dental consultation and not the regular one.
Okay, great. So I have few questions for you. So how is AI transforming diagnosis of cavities, gum disease, and oral cancer?
Yes, that's a very important question. AI is like an extra pair of eyes जो कभी थकता नहीं. It catches cavities when they are just beginning, detects the gum disease before the pain starts, and even spots early signs of oral cancer. मतलब प्रॉब्लम शुरू होने से पहले ही पकड़ लेते हैं, which makes the treatment faster, easier, and less expensive.
Wow, amazing. I have another question for you. Can AI make dental X-ray more accurate than the human eye?
Absolutely. Human eyes can miss details, but AI zooms into pixel level accuracy.
Wow.
Research shows that AI can detect 15 to 20% more cavities than dentists alone. More, and it's like having a super assistant जो कभी mistakes ना करे. Our eyes can make mistakes, but AI definitely cannot.
Wow. So really the entire the healthcare sector is booming, and how AI is helping. And the most important thing, what I believe, is how healthcare is helping is where healthcare and AI is going hand in hand. It's like an assistant. Wow, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So I have another question for you. How are dental clinics personalizing treatment with AI?
Well, earlier patients with the same issue often got the same plan.
Okay.
But AI studies your age, your lifestyle, your bone strength, even habits, and creates a plan just made for you. It's customized. जैसे Netflix आपको वही shows recommend करता है जो आपको पसंद है, वैसे ही AI designs a customized treatment plan which is unique for your teeth. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds marvelous. I mean, so anybody can come here. Even if somebody comes here and talks to you, you'll be able to give a personalized plan for someone.
Exactly.
That really makes a lot of difference. Earlier days, we didn't have such facilities, right?
Correct.
So, yeah, great. Could AI reduce dental fear by making procedures safer and less invasive?
Yes, most people fear the dentist because of drilling and pain.
Oh, yes.
AI helps us target the exact spot. So less drilling, minimal injections and faster recovery. मतलब fear of dentist कम हो जाता है और visit एकदम smooth लगती है.
How is AI designing aligners, implant, and crowns faster?
Well, earlier crowns and aligners took weeks to make
Mhm.
them.
Mm-hmm.
But with AI, one quick digital scan creates a perfectly fitting design in just hours. How? Think tailor-made clothes, but delivered faster, more accurate, more comfortable. मतलब smile भी जल्दी वापस मिल जाती है. So like we have experienced it, we just do a 3D scan.
Mhm.
That scan goes to the lab, they do a 3D printing of the models of the teeth, and they start working on the models within few hours. And if you just scan your teeth, the aligners are delivered within 2 days. That's the fastest technology of the AI which comes into being.
Wow. And this is really, I'm really learning every new thing from you, doctor. Okay, what role does AI play in preventive dentistry?
AI is like a crystal ball for dentistry. It can predict that this tooth may crack in 2 years or you are at a high risk of gum disease. मतलब you future problems को भी आज ही identify करना possible है. Prevention becomes more smarter and more accurate.
So prevention is better than cure, as we say.
Absolutely.
Wow. How are dental schools preparing students to work with AI? This is a very interesting question. I really want to know because I mean, as AI is the future, a lot of dental schools are preparing people for AI.
Correct.
How are they doing it?
Okay. So students nowadays aren't just practicing fillings, they are learning AI dashboards, digital scans and new software.
Mm-hmm.
The dentist of tomorrow will need both steady hands and sharp tech skills. दोनों का mix is the future. And I see nowadays the school children and all that very much fascinated by AI. They want to explore more.
Yes.
They are more into ChatGPT than we are.
Yeah, we are correct.
The
Absolutely.
Gen Z you call it or the
Gen
millennials.
Z or we have even the alpha.
Alpha, Gen Alpha.
We are millennials or boomers. There are all kinds of people on different spaces. I would also like to say that please follow us at Ra Brand Consultants. We are a brand consulting firm and podcasts, which I love it, and we are really focusing on this dental world and the overall healthcare world. So signing off. Bye bye. Take care.